Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best professional insecticides in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. The year-round warm temperatures of your home make it an insect paradise. To ensure that insects do not make your home their next vacation destination, it offers protection on the indoor and outdoor front. Acting first as a perimeter barrier, it can be applied within 12-inch strips around the home. On the inside, use the handy wand applicator to apply a 4-inch barrier underneath cabinets, along baseboards, and behind appliances. Once in place, control lasts up to 12 months. We noted the wand as a highlight. It was easy to angle and apply the product, and feel like a wizard while helping empty the home of cockroaches and ants. Number 2. Our second best pick is DiatomaceousEarth 10 pounds food grade. It is composed of diatoms, plankton, fossils, and has myriad uses, including stain removal, deodorizer, and joint supplement. It also happens to make a great multi-pest control. While hard for the eye to detect, the diatoms have sharp edges that prevent insects from being able to walk over them, stopping them in their tracks. When applied around the perimeter of a home or the garden, it offers control from ground-dwelling insects like beetles and roaches. This is one of the few products out there that is also effective against snails. Since snails are mollusks, insecticides are not designed for their control, and there are few safe options on the market. We note that if you reside in one of the wetter states, DiatomaceousEarth turns to sludge when moistened. It is best to apply on days where rain is not in the forecast. Number 3. Our third best pick is Natria 706250, a neem oil spray for plants' pest organic disease control. It has been used for centuries for everything from personal care to rust control. Coming from the neem tree, it does not get more natural than neem oil. It also happens to be incredibly affordable. This pesticide works best on slow-moving insects, but it also moonlights as an excellent fungicide. I use it to treat outbreaks of rust fungi on my edible figs and blooming plumerias each year. If you want to treat a fungal outbreak, the same rules of application apply, making sure you cover the fungi entirely. It is not a silver bullet, but it does offer multi-purpose protection for both indoor and outdoor plants. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BioAdvanced 701290B Insecticide Fungicide Miticide 3-in-1 Insect. This garden spray features imidacloprid, a well-researched chemical that made its debut in agriculture in the early 1940s. Imidacloprid is broad-spectrum, meaning it combats nearly everything with an exoskeleton. 2. Coming in a spray or a concentrate form, both are easy to use and offered at an affordable price point. The 3-in-1 product name refers to a few extra chemicals that fight fungi and even arachnids such as mites, which traditional insecticides do not cover, and common pathogens such as rose black spot, anthracnose, and powdery mildew. Rainproof in minutes, you need fewer applications. It should be noted that imidacloprid is not to be used where pets frequent your yard. Also, since this is a broad-spectrum insecticide, it can harm all insects, including butterflies and bees. If you want to preserve pollinators and beneficial bad bug predators, be sure to spray targeted plants with care. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Bonide Insect Control Systemic Granules Imidacloprid Insecticide. If spraying chemicals is something you are hoping to avoid, granular formulas offer equal control and are simple to use. Once applied, the granules are watered into the soil, where they are slowly absorbed by plants, offering protection against any insect wanting a snack. Systemic granules contain imidacloprid, which can kill over 30 varieties of insects. The formula can be used in flower beds, around trees, and on the lawn, if they are in areas children and pets are unlikely to discover them. These granules are not meant to be used on edibles and cannot be applied in vegetable gardens or around fruit trees. The granules last up to 8 weeks, about 2 months, and we recommend that you apply them multiple times throughout the growing season. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.